Hello everyone, here's Slammer Gaming for a new tutorial. Today I will explain you what is Mistral AI, the first AI made by the French. Well, first of all, do you know ChatGPT? If not, then click off. If yes, then this video will be surprising. First of all, before we go to see Mistral AI on the website, we need to know who made Mistral. Mistral AI, which got us the AI named Le Chat in French, we need to know who made it. Mistral AI is basically a team of AI developers that is based in France. And basically, they made an AI that is ChatGPT but free. And trust me, it is like ChatGPT but free. After this transition, I'll show you how to use the website. Well, I hope you'll enjoy the video. Well, first of all, you have to type chat.mistral.ai. This will bring you to this webpage. My version that I will use is Le Chat Noir, which can be traduced as the black cat. Well, basically this is just the dark mode interface. Well, you can do many things. You can upload documents by typing on the document thing or using the pin, or you can search on the web using the globe, and you can send images by tapping the image option. Well, you can also mention an agent using the @ option on your keyboard. Here it will show two models that I have. Large 2, which is by default when you create an account, and School GPT, which is a model I made using the console of Mistral AI. But this will be for another video. Well, basically you can create an agent by clicking Create Agent. Well, anyway, let's show how this works. Since it's French, I will use a simple French prompt, which will be asking what is 2 plus 2. So I type combien font 2 plus 2. Then I send, and the AI will answer. Of course, it may take time because it's a French AI. It might be a bit slower than the usual AI such as ChatGPT. Well, we wait for the answer. It might take time. And also because I have a quite slow internet. And I've got an error because my internet was slow. Well, anyway, it still answered though. 2 plus 2 is indeed equal to 4. Now, let's try again, but in English. Let's ask, what's 4 times 8? And it answered in English. Well, you see it's pretty well done. You can also like the response to improve the model, or dislike it if you think the model did not give a good response. You can also refresh using the small refresh button and copy using the copy button. And on your answers, you can trash it, modify it, or copy it. Well, that's pretty much. If you click over here, you can see your history, which you can modify conversation, archive them, or delete them. And clicking here, you can see your shared chats, your archives chats, switch between light mode and dark modes, or access your profile and even log off. Well, that's a quick rundown of Le Chat Noir by Mistral AI. If you want to join, simply create an account using Google, Apple, or Microsoft, or simply use your email address and you're settled in. Well, I hope this video will help you. Subscribe.